Let us read. According as his divine power has given unto us all things that pertains unto life and godliness. The divine power of God has given us all things that concern life and godliness. Now, this statement shows that God has given you everything. You don't lack anything. You only lack knowledge. You are ignorant. He has a divine nature. In a divine nature. Have you heard? Did you hear what I said? According the power of God, divine power has given you all things that pertains to life and godliness. So meaning, there's nothing you are going to ask God. You don't ask from God anything, because the divine power has given unto you. Now listen to me, you people. Has given unto us all things that pertain unto life and godliness through the knowledge of him that has called us to glory and passion. He has called us. So he's going to call us. He's going to call us. He's going to call us. He has already called us. Where has he called us?
Glory and
so where are we?
Glory and virtue.
Do you know what glory is? It means that the position you are in now is a glorious position, but because of ignorance, you think you are able, you have no joy. And also he has this virtue, which is power, moral excellence, or power. He has called us in the place of power and glory. So meaning we are powerful and glorious. When you don't see yourself as powerful and glorious, it means that you have not known. It is through the knowledge. And the Bible said, that verse I like it. Deuteronomy 29:29. Never forget that verse.